Hi, this is Matt Drewette-Card, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for AOS 94, and I'm going to walk teachers through and administrators through. I'm going to walk you through how to do and pull an assessment type report. These reports are really handy for looking at how the level of complexity and the alignment of complexity we have in our assessments in our system. So as you can see, I've logged into my Atlas program so far, and what I'm going to do is come over here to where it says reports, and very quickly, the easiest way to get there is to jump down here to where it says assessment methods. What we're going to be looking for here is the assessment types. There's a little bit of a difference between assessment method and assessment type. So assessment type, as you click this menu here, you'll see all the different ways in which you can do a standard analysis or any kind of report. But if we're just looking for an assessment type, which are our four major types of levels in the complexity, including retrieval, comprehension, analysis, and knowledge utilization, you would go here. So assessment types, and it will bring you up to a chart that looks something similar to this about where our assessments are. Now, that's a very broad spectrum of the entire district of all schools throughout AOS 94 and how they've reported. But let's say I wanted to narrow it down to a particular school and or subject. What I would do is I'd click school and let's say Dexter Regional High School. Subject area, social studies. And then when I wanted to see that, I would press submit and it would provide the report right up here. Let's say I wanted to simply look up a specific teacher name, like Matthew Drewette-Card. There we go. Oh, I hit the wrong person. Then what I'd do is I'd submit, and I'd be able to see any assessments that are tied to courses that I'm tied to. These are the types of assessments where they would be found. So I can see that right now, 51.2% are retrieval, 21% are comprehension, analysis, knowledge utilization. If you click on any one of these members of the pie chart, you'll be able to further see which assessments, what specific assessments are there and are listed as such. If you wanted to get a little deeper into it, you could also, by assessment type, you could filter it more, and you can play around with the filterings down here. It's very simple, and I think that this information will be very helpful in curriculum meetings, in common planning meetings, when we can have our educators talking with each other, bringing in examples of student work to say, well, here's an assessment, here's how I'm measuring it, to what extent does it align to the level of complexity that is embedded in the standards, and how might we make sure that we are fully aligned in terms of content and complexity that's required in the standards. And that's it. I'm Matt Drewette-Card. Thanks so much.